Hello, I'm Ali Heather and I welcome you to this exciting course about best tips for your success in affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing offers a great way to generate an income stream, and you will learn all affiliate marketing tips to help you to be successful, from beginner's tip to advanced tips that will help you earn an income stream that goes on far into the future. And this course includes practical tips for affiliate marketing success, the best tips to create affiliate links that convert, affiliate marketing tips every beginner should know, and advanced affiliate marketing tips that will get you results, and much more. Put these tips into play and you will be on your way to being a successful affiliate marketer. I wish you all the luck in the world. Now let us get started with it. Okay?